Here is the Mars Make Pulse Code Modulation and Demodulation Trainer Kit, model number ME751. The above circuit is for the modulation and the lower circuit is the demodulation. Here we use the Excel crystal for the generation of the clock and 0 to 5 volt DC as a signal for the changing into pulse code. After the digital circuit, here is the A to D converter. Then give the digital data over here. Then here is the multiplexer parallel in serial out from the modulation circuit. Then comes to demodulator. Here we get the serial data and get the output. Same output belongs to modulation. We can see with the help of LEDs, and after that converter we get the same DC output level which we give in the modulation. Here is the data we get with the variation of the DC voltage. Rx in, here we connect clock out to clock in. This is the reset button and we get the same data as the input and at the output, starting from the 0, 1, 1 0, 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1 and so on. Here we can see the output of the PCM at the CRO, and here we input voltage, and here after demodulation we get the voltage. When we change the voltage, we can get the data on the CRO accordingly and get the voltage as input and output is the same. Here in the CRO we have received the data. When we get the 0, here is the, when all the data is 0, there is the starting bit for the reference of the data. When we get the 1, then 1 is added in the that sync bit here. Then 1 0, 1 sync bit, then is the space and then next bit. In the same way, first sync bit, then 2 0, then 1. Then 1 is added with the sync bit, then 0, then 1. In the same way, we can receive the data, the PCM, and see on the CRO for the better understanding of the PCM. Thank you.